Umonche murigereria bugite seni ya kisi hot na kwarekani nanda singincho gusanga asea mungana ritukuria rero niranga rero turi chitariki 15 nesata cyumutenyu mutang'anyi 2025 iko mutenyu January twanwikire gatigati ke twata chitariki 15 ngo chigoro iko twekire gatigati mwaka ngonya gusukure karibu sana ase ritukuria rero ntete gusanga tosanga ya masemwe iguru ya siasa chie county ya Kisii mo especially kurwase bungeria Bomachoge Chache astuchi gusanga ukwanira iguru ya siasa na siasa igenderete kurwa sense meri ya Bomachoge Chache. In fact tochi gukwanira iguru ya amagenderero ya korekanire uburai bw'abasaye na ense meri y'abasaye ase ense ya kisiasa. Karibu sana asingincho yugo cha gusanga monite ritukuria rero.
Thank you so much.
Labda otebya abantu na kia ukorangirwa samurieta.
Mbia mono kuntu nche samurita ngoro ku Benard Nyaora. Manyakanite buna real commissioner. Inde murai wa basaye Bomachoge Chache constituency. Na inde supporter ya Paradiso. Yeah.
Karibu sana sa ritukuria rero.
Thank you.
Na anene mono tutaragenda kuchi gusanga asa mungana siasa kurwa ase bungeria Bomachoge Chache. Ntege turara kwanira igoro ya at least amagenderero so igesa chikure chikorekana ndumetinga Paradiso nigare umu MC yebwe ward area abo chitendere ward ndaki Bomachoge enake ward yagendere asensemeri ya amagenderero ase Bomachoge Chache
litangani inchenko ruba sote sengera patirende amagenderero manyete no ruba sote sengera no ruba ojitende no rugwapi amagenderero muntu kitakora asige tuikamanyikana. As a youth from Bosote Sengera, ngwad mayande sana amagendero mwishimiwa Paradiso kanda tokora award ya bojitende. Gesa Paradiso asoete MCA in 2017. And they got elected again in 2022. Okunyare gokora amagendero amange sana and I light. And even before I beto MCA na beto mu councillor 2007 to 2013. So cumulatively Paradiso as so council no MCA na go chigotwara miaka 15 working experience and na beto mo chair bo Gembo town council. Paradiso chipara chia bo chitende togo chikombea na para chinde chionsi in the Kisii county government. In fact
why we ngata compare singing to the same county government
you are saying in equal. Terms of development in terms of service even to be corridor chipara chia bo chitende echiwetek 90% of the roads have been made na one echichitigalete contractors are on site. Paradiso is a leader who prioritizes development. Paradiso, I want you to be aware and the people watching here. Now, bete awarded and voted by Gala Awards. It's an organization Yarenge Kwa Award, the best performing MCAs. It was the best in Kisii County, 2022. You cannot be the best on your toliko korachipara, on your toliko reta mache bantu banyu, on your toliko supply equipment go chichi skuru bona bona chi water tanks has been supplying. Nyagitari, what are you doing there? Akalete kitchen, akalete laundry, akalete mortuary. So Paradiso performance index here is very much above in Kisii County.
So can he never Edison emo okay muntu emo na atake kumanyanga kurwa se ward ya Bosote Sengera asokoro na kie okay muntu atake kumanya Bosote Sengera ward na Paradiso kurwa ase ensemeri ya bochitendere ward okay natake oere sira agotatiye bigwa kwanire egendo kirikiragere buna yonganye kure ward yago uchikurigereria go support mo oyo kurwa se ward yende.
That's a very good question.
MC is not performing.
Misio na group mukukiri. He is performing as a umategero mo na bate capacity akonya. Patirende Paradiso being awarded the best performing MCA, it means he beats another MCAs. Again, tabantu babo Bosote Sengera to ward maya asebo chitendere. Nyuma nono bochumbe mangana bochumbe ataracha imingango ligyale. Chipara chia bo chitendere buna nago the possible chionsipi echibekire maram chile in good condition wogoche municipality there are roads within the municipality the municipality yache koba function very recent ekero manager yaba in place but before Paradiso pushed hard chipara chile within Ogembo municipality they have been tarmacked chidichita kire kobe ko moro mchaveku ejire in good condition so kerore bochi you can walk comfortably on slippers lakini mono koko so ago chapa so sengera e pare rembe bune pare koru tendere eke ndego nyansara guchipo sot igere embura karo ya tonyire ige to kumingana ki ngai to cha gwetera so ekero to rigere chipara cha bochi tendere echigweteka bochi tendere mache garo ibisima Paradiso remire na remete gesima nyaburumba gesima ngira kole makenama buna bono recent chita school tanks chabere supplied to 10 schools in bochi tendere at least
ase chitange I think every MC na wate priority gatie vitacho ne chitange
yes
entrata sense meyo tetrata sense mo chipara at least monata ke ko kuburi na ki can you mention even one road was a two roads chire cha bochi tendere ward chiri cha siguna Paradiso ora kwana ye mo se iberiga asengencho ate ko nari oyo mate ko boy witness nga epare nero siri
epare koru Ogembo town jagenda jani usijimagali epare ligere med na Paradiso it is possible yabge to mora mwire in good condition epare koru hometown ebwata nene ya Jans still get med epare koru Ogembo eso nyabisyungo rende go chigetale igebwate omoram ure in good condition epara gogocha highway epare koru highway egenda li Uganda igebwate omorom kokogenda bombaba kirage chipara cha kirage chibwate omorom in fact intingise ko liye pare tabugati omorom ose taro siri bo itendere iye kompora epara abantu ba complain for a long time ku Moyo road Paradiso is sending a contractor next week Friday in Kobere med so basically para teyo in bo itendere etabugati omorom etari in good condition there is no road unless kere para ya national government you know siasa na yaro gojana ko korubo yetender abantu bakungainunga ngagenda motebe Paradiso ohangire kokore paraget ugochi gochunguse pare yu neye is a national government we have county roads and national government roads MCA ta go interfere ne para yo mochumba korosi koseje para nchiro konyora mweshimiwa ataete abantu bakanga you know you cannot force people mweshimiwa ako bali baka minua banyine mweka moche kwata epare yu mogocha kwante ngatigete mogocha kwagiri consensus you will made it lakini chipara chiri chiabete assigned chikorolekana iga Paradiso has made them and is maintaining them parte yo etorigote ka bojitend yes
so ne kyokora kwa mangana yonsi ya progress ye chipare echo are you working the as office ya
I'm not working in the office ya MCA Paradiso but I come from Bomachoge Chache Bochitendri is a sister ward to Bosot Singer where I come from koru Bosot koru kapa Ogembo is just 50 shillings a motorbike or 30 shillings and in fact we walk from home to Ogembo so how can I not be able to know chipara chigendrete Bosot Singer ani Bochitendri
now teto kwa nira sense media in terms of leadership what about development chipara kwa nire bisima and I don't know teto kwa nire about the leadership basa ngwe kabari batwara issues na problems ko cha sabara ivande bonsi and that's why wa regenzi wa bere bako imokerera na ko mnyokia barayi no wetera sentire mutandao na sentire ndonsi there's this government not even government party leadership ya Paradiso ngobere vefale po kucha saba sae and have abasane kiba benefit from his leadership does ngo consider abasae
onyo mugambi naro oimbawira basae ino Bomachoge Chache Paradiso in his first time as MCA 2013 mpaka 17 Paradiso had the youth council budgeted. He is the only MCA of what the functional youth council in his ward. Akabeka chibesa aka that youth council chibesa onye kero kuru ogembo kero ikirali edaracha makeka igurali there's some asenaro ko special akabatenga na in fact no etra bako relikire nga budget na youth council there are a lot of projects bale batakiriko chakali a car wash bantu bachake no nebinyonse all a lot of things Paradiso pumped money to that project. Unfortunately those youths they never utilize those resources well abantu bakatamane yabo. But now we have to give credit to Paradiso, at least he empowered them. They had a bad ending. Two, obviously Paradiso abantu bali atakeire kulika every MCA ngolikane umudereva secretary manager all of them are youths. Omo manager is a youth. McDonald is a youth. Omo secretary oye Emily, she is a youth. Omo driver Victor is a youth. Paradiso, any business ya bwato gebali. Either ne supermarket, either ne hardware, they are youths. Supermarket ya Paradiso gebali, Eli Kiwokoro is a youth. Hardware is a youth. So there are a lot of businesses Paradiso with youth. Paradiso recently kero twale go eta award keraru ete kolonchi ECD classroom kya mwebi agacharia karore esako daily sako yogembo twanyora ta abana gete bagwatia magena teso yang bakorete school form 4 Paradiso katena ka bowling aya ngire kwabwa ngisi binance naye ngane si play amagena mo what at this time indonke mora Paradiso promised them inu in check Monday mpaka ulere naona magena kosi no chinchugu mbaya no pesa monte biashara muranyare go chaka so that you can start bettering your lives. Those youths batakere bagenda obisi Paradiso, he does to them what they told them. The people Paradiso have empowered. Moikanase na Paradiso one-on-one like this and you are a youth. Gako borgana ki what do you do for a living? Nkiora atake ngokorere ochincho bugima bwao. That is so unique, unlike other leaders. Other
than that youth council, how many were very benefited from that? Or I'm mentioning at least the quarter, or I'm mentioning from somewhere, there's somebody very benefited Kurua's leadership, except what we call service. Na bari baringe in that you council and podi or benefit musayo no benefit kurwa.
We number one, you have to give credit to na time to ko no youth council abantu bande obisiabo ibali getaba kaka na bairi ba okoro. So we have to give credit ngana ki neba ba okoro bisiaye na basai. That is one way of empowering youth back youth council ikende abantu ababande na gota ibakora in business premises here, those are the people. Yeah, at least he has given opportunity ko koro.
So does it mean those one water business in Barikwa youth because we see even
they don't.
Even supermarket, if you go to other supermarkets, you can see young Westkabake, you can see Avasayabake or gender Waroro.
You can see them, but you never know the relationship with their bosses. Umuntu to kora to moisoko mwana moisoko mino mubeko. She can be a lady. We want a leader who can empower youth across the board, across the world, across the constituency, minus any relationship attached. Paradiso empowers youth, muta related in as much as what I need you to empowered. As much as you want a passion you go Paradiso will come in and empower you move forward. He has empowered a lot of youths in the budget and commission.
Okay, I think the last question in the Koda support empowerment. We have talked about youth. There is abantu bari watch baba batigire magega bare disappearity. In his leadership ngo deal with disappearity na kya ba very wakini because most leaders they don't look at these people about living with the disappearity. What about his leadership? What has he done?
That's a very and it has reminded me. Omweno Okoro is a member of ECI. I don't know exactly for whatever, but he works there. He is disabled. He's a youth. and it's also is disabled yenye bagotara na akoro BCI Paradiso any person living with a disability in Bojitend. He does have a meeting otware chinyinge cha disabilities in Bojitend. Chiko was steered na umweno yore BCI. When they meet, what they speak is how they can be empowered. He encourages them back move step ahead. You go to a disability card. Oh my, talk about help in Kenya without disability.
So what are the embody in a simple way? Of course, we call meetings, we call empowerment, whatever to a card, either about embarrassment. So what ya enkia korea at least koroki other than koriko yoyomo mbale gaba meto korika bantu bonse from the ground abakuba kubumira nyamo. But is there any podio amotenga ekore PCD ayekoreki awausa agenda kuchigiga also you what a card umubekire somewhere other than yo mubweka
other than kubeka their representative as a of ACI ababande when they have meetings I am aware he has empowered he in fact he supported them he gave them there's some ekero ba omenete bakachorana from every region at least kere region nebwa omonto yo mogosibabere Paradiso a supportiri bachakire biashara oetana no ge bakonyora omonto abigete wheelchair yae akoni gento get maybe agosina bikoro to moire capital o materi igora no ne gento kona le matunda some I think at least these people he met and they agreed to start businesses he has empowered them bakachake biashara byo bakaendera no ma jigas ne chinkongu ke oyo mo obati kete konyoro BCI well and good but this ababande kero bago cham he has not neglected them nko ba umirar obatengana ki ayenkyo ta ko ngaje ta kete ko chaka ko ni no ne chinchu bugata bese chaka ko ni chinchu aye nta ko ni chingen aye nta kete at least he has changed the lives of these people.
No, okay, it's okay. Now let's talk of the future of Paradiso. Now, where MMC, what the council president MMC is now 15 years. Nande, what there is new support is that na akore from his ward. So, what no chukanda kumu support? Are you otete konganya from your ward? What as a ward? So, what is the future of Paradiso?
Thank you. I'm supporting Paradiso, Bonaiga. Because he's going to vie kwa Bomachoge Chache. That does not mean nganga koru bojitende ani bomosot sengra ko bojitende. One again they support the Paradiso sa ulinko liaro bochumbe wa Bomachoge. And I will tell you why. Paradiso at least intubanye siasa ya tim Paradiso ntulucha kota ya abantu stories. Une binde ina kwa resile kocha we are going to tell people what he has done, what he has achieved, what he is capable of doing. Paradiso neji para orosi onye na abantu babo jitendere obaruanereire in the employment sector abantu in the county government there are a lot of people from bojitendere aruanereire bakore kasi in the county government even in the national government ebisime byale mire emoja lya bekiro gembo ikale twale ko town all the time squeeze montako ogembo we have a decent kitchen in Ogembo we have a decent laundry chitanki school is supplied buna moisonde a municipality Paradiso pushed chipara chi municipality ngo chakachire kokoro in the 5 wards chikunete municipality ngo chakachire kokoro Paradiso iyongo mo support because he's a man who has delivered in the assignment that he has been given in the past never bono iga no interview ningi station ye ino koligi egasio ko report we kamombo ringa ki have you worked there as a reporter what were you doing there what did you achieve so Paradiso coming to the people of Bomachoge Chache abaeres ngana ki emiake na choriru watch tender na nyare kole machipara na nyare kole tamaje na nyare ko rwande bantu betu banyore gas na nyare go equity police share the resources buna chibased and every other thing we are not like other candidates nande you know we have political wars in the forums and everything Paradiso manyete buna was very violent nchomo ndongo support ikomurame na tuachakanire but Paradiso alinikalisha ni akaniambia hii siasa nimefanya almost now 20 years abantu nkonda mabale it is right let people insult you lakini bono abara ingo onyo ruto okora ruto taigoro kasongo people Raila is abused all the time So we are not bothered abantu bari baguturama lakini toko batebiga if Paradiso tarenga monto mia bao abantu baboyitendere mare como trust for 15 years egero tenga Paradiso no morita chiti school igona abantu baboyitendere taite kuruka bari because they are the people who voted him for all this time. Paradiso is ready to work for Bomachoge Chache. He has experience and we are underrepresented in Bomachoge Chache.
So what else and again in this siasa ya Paradiso? So what if tate benga chikuranchi yaku wase Paradiso anda ta mwako genda bwempia tira bwemsi, will you still stand como support?
Inche gonde team Paradiso 001 ata amwe ko ligyo bochumbe kumuna tutrene no bochumbe niko na yeye akiamua kukuja MC which is not going, that one I can confirm tali kuboi MC lakini whichever place akujikogenda I'm going to go with him. Do you know why? Omanyete ours are very taken for granted for a long time in this politics, and I don't blame leaders more. I don't blame Abasai. Abasai, when they support these leaders, they don't have loyalty. Ani mosayata etoka na ki injeta etoka bera senya lebe abu echikura nyole gento kete nkonyeke. It's okay. We have ambitions choko konyeke, but for you to win political trust from some leadership, number one, you have to be loyal. You have to work for them. Muna wana nje political decision si megati mutua. Tita ete ko support monto monga onya tali Paradiso. Inchenta ete ko support Paradiso wek. Tukishinda tunashinda na yeye. Tukianguka tunaanguka na yeye. Paradiso has a future. Paradiso bintu ne binga bantu bataita bakole. So, and I don't care in any competition, it is either I win or I lose. That one I'm very much aware. I'm working tirelessly for a win. And if we don't win, if we lose fairly, I will lose with him. I'm not going to abandon him. Let me give you an example.
Your last word was ya asaba and Bomachoge Chache.
Abantu Bomachoge Chache mondigereti kata koba tenga, you are good people. And you've said clearly, and we've heard it, imutageto monto kokora amagendero. Imuma ete Paradiso magendera akolire bochitendere. Chipara chia bochitendere abantu bakuchi admire across the three words. Services chiri bochitendere chiri nyingi. Bochitendere 80% of bochitendere nere bwate Ugimbo municipality. Ugimbo municipality yagiroire under leadership ya Paradiso has pushed. Paradiso nero ensure municipality ya bere launched aga ensure manager ya chide chipare chiko na kole mu municipality chiko under the efforts of Paradiso. So Paradiso kala chiko ligyo bachumbe tariko chako bataye mangana story cha bunuasi na anda bantu bamayetenga Paradiso sio mtu ya kupeana shilingi 100 200 chibesa chiko seru cha bantu bako sera baenda korale segas. Paradiso is going to work for the people of Bomachoge Chache. Chipare cheito chimese chipare chibe kweramu chipare chibe maintain chibe kwa maram onya nabasaye igasinchi yo Kenya ne chinga chirichira atoke abaye kichita atoke. Paradiso is ready to empower youth bachake biashara. Paradiso is going to build market. Our schools will be decent. School taringa no komokero chibasi yoka. Paradiso is going to equip schools. Paradiso is going to build our place. Bomachoge Chache gocha gutwara chibesa. Why? Paradiso is going to equip people. Paradiso is going to make the business environment conducive. Paradiso is going to make everything. We are going to make Bomachoge Chache great again.
Right.
In the leadership of Paradiso. So, wewe muntu ndigereti na ndaba sae. Nyinyi wewe ukikaa chini uangalie. Never so whichever comes our competitors, of which I don't want to know because my concentration is Paradiso. Omonto okokwa 200 300 500 it is okay. Lakini mambi nocho twara 500 support omonto otageta koboringa nakie. What do you do for a living? How do I help you make your life? And that is Paradiso. Paradiso mwego ikaransa igatara koboringa nakie ngachiwa no okora ainki okora kwa nyomi. What are you doing? Ngakiura chenje bumba kwa. So support Paradiso and I'm sure we are going for a win. People are with us. Abantu mama yetu monto abakoregas. Paradiso tabu hati competitor. We are competing with the time. We have the record and everything, and we are going to win.
Thank you. Miyamono. Thank you very much. Singing Chogo Sanga, Amona Intwe, my space, Shari. Some siasa kurwa aste ebunge Bomachoge Chache na igoro ya Paradiso. Monche murigereria kwikiraga buno toko butorera asenge Chogo Sanga Amona Intwe kukwana mungana siasa. Nyina nganto ende gukwana botambe na gukumanya sare okorekana kurwa ase ebinyoroime asorro kongorwa gusi. Nchebu na butambe nkuru kwa nyapto Dennis ko wanto nangeri kuntu bye bye tumirane chinga kichinde.